Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft server for free. So first of all you have to do is go to google.com and type download Minecraft server. Hit enter, click on the top search result. From here you have to click on download Minecraft server. For example, I have the version 1.21.4. I will click on that and it will start to download. So I have to wait a bit. Once it's downloaded, you have to open it, but before opening it, you have to also install Java for Minecraft. So I will click on the top search result. I will click on Java for Windows. So I have already installed Java for Windows. So what I will do, I will open my downloads folder. Now I have to create a new folder from here. For example, I will name it as Minecraft, and I will place this file which I have just downloaded to the Minecraft server. Now I have to right click it and select open with Java. Now it will open with Java. As you can see, some folders are going to pop up now. We have to wait a bit. Now you have to check the box of terms and condition. How you can do that? You can open this eula.txt file. Now you can change this false to true. Do not give any unnecessary spaces. Just type TRUE, go to file, click on save, close the window and open the server again. Allow any permissions that your computer asks. Now on the bottom of your window, you will see a new Java window. If you click on it, as you can see, the Java server is now running. It's now loaded. If you want to change some settings in your Minecraft server, then what you have to do is close this server. And then you have to right click the server properties, open with, and select Notepad. Now from here you can change the properties. For example, you can change the difficulty levels from easy to peaceful. You can change other settings if you want. So after that, after you made the changes, all you have to do is click on file, click on save and close, and again open the server, and the server will start to run once again. And you can open your Minecraft server, and then you have to join. In the Minecraft server list, all you have to do is type localhost in the Minecraft game and hit enter, and then you will be joined into your own server. And keep in mind that this server is only running on your computer and it is not on the internet. So only you and the people connected to your network will be able to join to this server, and not your friends which are on the internet. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.